Are you still working as a system administrator, but now you are planning to change your domain? You want to become an expert in cloud technology. So Teach Me Cloud plan to provide you a live session in every weekend. So for upcoming weekend, I'm planning to give you demonstration of Azure Administrator based on Az-104 content, and in this demonstration I'll guide you, I'll help you how you can how you can utilize your existing existing system administrator experience or network engineer experience with a cloud technology. So, and also I'm planning to provide you one-to-one session. As you know very well about the Teach Me Cloud, the quality of Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. I have already uploaded multiple you can say that video series of different certification, like you can find a 303 AG303 104 and 900 Amazon Web Services. So now this time I'm going to provide you live session that you can interact with me and you can ask any questions related to your related to the technology, related to the certification, related to the interview as well. So please enroll yourself for the demonstration, and if everything is okay, I'll give you the 100% live practical based training. Thank you. Take care.